Hello viewers, welcome back to a new video. We got this camping area cleaned up. Got our gear stored away. And I'll get back with you on the water. I'm not sure how far we're going down this hole of water. We may go to the lower end at the farthest, maybe 300 yards. Oh, it's gorgeous here on this Burbus River this morning. All was biting, a bunch of little ones, I guess, kept pecking away at our minnows. We still turned probably loose a dozen live ones when we left up there. That's a good grab bar there on the left amongst them sycamore shrubs, small trees. I presume we'll have to look at it. I have found one or two there. Yeah, viewers, I'm really liking this place, and we didn't hardly come over 100 yards. But this looks like an excellent camping, fishing, artifact, searching spot for today. At least for a while. Water is moving out there, but the current is slow. Probably a lot of gar. What picked up our sunfish yesterday, or last night. We're going to try to fish a live bait if we can get one underneath that sycamore limb just out in the slow current. But, got to get us some bait. Live bait. Work on that. Still early. I don't think it's... Oh, it's about 9. I'm going to have one more cup of coffee, sit out here and chill out, then try to get some bait, look some gravel. Post this video today, this morning. Alright, if you're enjoying the videos, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. Thank you.